Hello everyone. This is another update of the LTVA down in La Posa South, Quartzsite, Arizona. I'm going to take a slightly different route today, heading out towards the dump and water area first. In fact, I will go a little bit past that. I'm also flying a little bit lower, so you'll have to let me know if this works better or the first altitude that I was using in the previous videos. As I've said in the past, it looks like there's a little bit more RVs here in the area as the days go on, but I'll leave that up to your judgment from previous videos. I think the biggest influx of people is going to be shortly after Christmas. And then again about the 10th or 15th of January, when a lot of people just show up to see the big show at the big tent. We just crossed over the main paved entrance road that was just redone this year, and I'm running down the north side of it when I previously stayed either over the top or towards the south end. So as you can see below, the asphalt entrance road is coming to an end, and if you make a right at that first right dirt road where a vehicle just turned, that's how you start with a big rig to get back in the area where we are at. You can see this area is starting to fill up quite a bit more. As people are looking for areas that hopefully don't have too much traffic around them to enjoy the quiet. I believe my next video is going to look quite different because this coming weekend we are forecasted to get quite a bit of rain. All the dark areas that you see now is actually the top of the desert, as in small volcanic rock. I know initially it looks like the ground is wet, but that is the volcanic rock. So now we're headed back towards Highway 95 at the entrance to La Posa South. And as before in the previous videos, I'll go a ways into Tyson Wash long-term visitors area on the other side of 95. When you're driving in and out of the entrance road, this place looks a lot busier than it appears in these drone videos. So there's obviously still quite a bit of room for more RVs to come out and enjoy the desert. So now you can see we're coming up on what will be the new area to get water, just to the left of the screen. And a future dump area with the evaporation ponds in the distance. I still have not heard anything about when they plan to open both of these. As I've said in the past, if these flights are too slow, you can speed up the video in YouTube. So now I'm starting a direct route back to our camp in La Posa South. And as you can see, there's a lot of room for people to come out and camp. I am also going to release a video from Tyson Wells that I took the same day as this one on the 19th of December. I guess since this is YouTube, I need to state that that's the 19th of December in 2023. I hope this video gave you some information you were looking for. And if you have any questions, just put it in the comments. Take care, and I will see you in the next one.